I don't know about you, but I am ready for Christmas to come to my house early this year. So why not break out some of those festive touches before Christmas Day? Iceland is so full of surprises. Pigs in blankets. Why eat them just once a year? Make this dead simple dip by swirling in some cranberry sauce, add some cracked salt and pepper on top, and off you go to watch your favourite Christmas movie. Plus, they're also Good Housekeeping approved. Mini Greggs sausage rolls are an exclusive to Iceland. They're great in the kids' lunchboxes as a Friday treat, or super yummy straight out of the oven hot over the weekend. You can either cook them as they are, or you can add some milk on them just before baking. Oh, have you tuned into the Christmas radio stations yet? Great for getting in the Christmas spirit. Mince pies aren't just for December. We're starting early with the Good Housekeeping Institute approved best supermarket mince pies. We're usually too stuffed to do them justice at Christmas, so we're warming them, serving them with custard and having them as an early treat now. Picky Bits Buffet Bonanza. Check out Iceland's £1 and free £5 range. Not only that, but you also get free delivery when you spend over £35 online too. And the thing I love the most about this range is they all cook at 180 degrees, making this a dead, simple, easy dinner to do. The kids love it, and once you add a side salad on the side, you have a November treat worth remembering. And because they chose it, I know they'll actually eat it. Chocolate orange slow cooker fudge makes a great gift for neighbours and friends. Don't wait until December to spread some kindness now. Add 3 chocolate oranges to 1 can of condensed milk. Add 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Cook on high with the lid off and stir every 15 minutes for 1 hour until smooth. Pour into a lined dish, cool in the fridge and cut into cubes. Yum. I don't know about you, but as a mum, I find the best dinners are the ones that only have 1 pan to wash up. Drum roll for our Pigs in Blankets tray bake creation. Just add butternut squash chunks, crispy potatoes, rustic chunky roasting vegetables and pop the Pigs in Blankets on the top. So delicious. So which of these ideas will you be trying first? Head over to iceland.co.uk to get all of these ingredients and more. Now if you excuse me, I've got to dope these Pigs in Blankets.